FLN7-5G Taishan filter cartridge replacement video. First step, cut off water and electricity. Turn off the power of device. Turn off the tap water ball valve. Turn off the pressure bucket ball valve. Turn on the tap water to empty the water, and release the pressure of the device. Second step, filter element replacement. For the convenience of everyone to watch, here we remove the pipes of the 4 nozzles on the device at first. You can replace the filter according to the actual situation. Open the panel on the side of the device, which is away from the 4 nozzles. There are 2 stages. The first stage is the PPC composite filter element, and the second stage is reverse osmosis membrane. Lift up the buckle of the filter element you want to replace. Remove the old one. Take out the new from the box. Install it back to its original position, and then buckle the buckle back to the original place. PS. If the filter element is not installed in place, the buckle cannot be restored. The other filter element is also very convenient to operate. Third step, machine restoration. Cover the panel of the device and plug it back into the original pipeline. PS. There are 4 water inlets: the tap water inlet, wastewater outlet, purified water outlet, and the pressure barrel interface. Pay attention to the order when connecting the pipeline. Fourth step, passing water and plug in. Turn on the power supply and tap water. Turn on the faucet to rinse the filter element for 10-15 minutes. PS. The first bucket of water in the pressure tank is not recommended to drink. So far, FLN7-5G Taishan filter cartridges installation is done.